Hello guys, welcome to my video series tutorial to talk about Microsoft Semantic Kernel. In our last video, we talked about function calling stepwise planner. In this video, we see the next planner called Handlebars Planner. First, we'll understand what is Handlebars Planner. Next, we'll write one simple demo how to implement this feature. Handlebars Planner is a type of planner that can automatically create a chain of functions to achieve our goal. Handlebars Planner used Handlebars template to define the structure and logic of the plan. We have already discussed about this Handlebars template in our previous videos. We focused two examples how to create Handlebars template and one more example how to use JSON in the Handlebars template. The same Handlebars template used in this Handlebar planner also. There is another advantage of using this Handlebar planner. Once you define your goal, first you have to create the plan. So before execution, you can see the steps, how your goals going to achieve. So if anything is wrong, then you can correct your prompt or you can correct your plugin to make your goal to achievable. So this is one of the main advantages. Another advantage is you can save the plan. Okay, once you created the plan, it seems to be all fine. Then you can save this plan. So next time you no need to write again the plan. Instead, you can read this plan and execute for further operations. Move on to Visual Studio. We'll write one simple sample program how to implement this feature. In Visual Studio, I have created the new project called Handlebars Planner Demo. I taken the same plugin. So we have two plugins, location and weather plugin. In program.cs file, I have written the base code. So here I created the kernel object to pass two plugins, one for location and another one for weather plugin. Here I created the kernel object. The next, to implement this Handlebar planner, we have to install the NuGet package called Microsoft Semantic Kernel planners.handlebars. So this NuGet package has to install, and still this planner is in the preview version. Let's write simple application. Here I define my goal, provide me with the historical and weather detail for Chennai. Using the Handlebar planner, we create the plan and execute it. The first step, I'm going to create the planner. So Handlebars planner, Handlebars planner new. There is a default argument. If you want to pass some options, you can use Handlebar planner option. Otherwise, you can leave as empty. I don't want to pass anything at the moment, so I just create only the object for this class. Once you added this class, there is a error message. So as I mentioned, this is a preview version. If you want to use this one, you have to disable this warning. So I'm going to add this warning as a disabled state now. Program warning disable skexp 00060 00. Okay, so that's it. Once it's disabled, here we restore the warning back. Restore. Here we create the planner. So create a planner. The next step, we are going to create the plan. So create a plan. To create the plan, we have to use Handlebars plan. So here Handlebars plan equal to await Handlebars planner dot create plan async. This function we have to call. The first argument is a kernel object. We have already created the kernel object, so I use this one, kernel. The next argument, user goal. Here we define our goal. That also I passed. That's it. So the next step, I'm going to display the plan, not execute the plan. I'm going to display the plan so that we can understand the planning structure. So here, display the plan, display dot write line. I pass handlebars planner dot toString here. This is my user defined class screen display. I just create one helper class to display the output with the different colors. That's the reason I written this class. So I just pass the information to print. That's it. So we'll run this application, and first we see the plan. Start the application. Here we get the plan. So the first step, initialize the city variable with the city name, set city equal to Chennai. We passed provide me historical weather details for Chennai. So based on our string, it's find the city name is Chennai. The next step, get the historical information. The third step, find the weather information. The final step, return the JSON with the step 2 and step 3 results. So seems to be our plan is fine. The next step, we're going to execute this plan. Here we execute the plan. So where result equal to await handlebars plan dot invoke async. The first argument is kernel argument. The next argument all are default argument. So at the moment I did not use those arguments, so leave as it is. Here we print the result, display dot write line. Now we run the application and see the output. So the first information, complete our plan. The second, weather information from the external weather plugin. There I just print the JSON. That's the reason this is coming. The main focus here, this one. So this is our final output for this handlebar planner. So the first two lines, it contains the history information. The third line, you can see the current weather is location name Chennai. So here we get the complete weather report. This is an example for how to use handlebar planner. In our next video, we talk about how to save and retrieve the plan. So next time we no need to recreate the plan again. That we'll talk about in our next video. Thanks to all.